Hi, welcome to the quick tour of Logical CMS for ASP.NET, the fastest content management developer tool in the world. First, let's start with what it is. Logical CMS is an extremely flexible web application that allows users of many roles to manage and contribute content to a website. But that's not all it is. Logical CMS actually shaves countless hours off a developer's time by generating ASP.NET code that it uses to change the content in a website or web application. How can it help you? By allowing you to develop a content management solution in a fraction of the time that it'll take your competitors. Setting up a Logical CMS project is easy. You just have to tell it a little about the type of content that'll go into your ASP.NET website template. First, you start by telling Logical CMS who the content contributors are going to be. Then you define your content sections, assigning those sections to the content contributors that you just defined. Finally, you define your content units by defining the nature of the content, whether it is a single item or if it is a list of items like a product catalog or a list of news stories. Once you've finished telling Logical CMS about the nature of the content and where it is located, that is the point at which your work will begin to pay off. A return to any particular content unit will present you with a button that generates ASP.NET code for that content unit. As you can see, because we told the system where our pages are, it tells us where to put the code. It wants us to put, for instance, this piece of text in the default.aspx file. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we go to our test application, and because this is the home page header text, we find a place where it belongs. And sure enough, here it is, home page headline. We'll put it in there. We'll replace this. The next thing is to add code to the code behind section of that ASPX file. This creates code behind information in either C# or VB. And so once you've finished pasting this code into your ASP.NET website, guess what? You've just finished your Logical CMS project. You can now ask your content contributors to log into the Logical CMS and begin adding content to the website. What your content contributors will find are easy-to-use forms that they can use to add or edit content to the website and preview the results. The content they entered flowing perfectly into the website template. Because the content is flowing into any ASP.NET project, there is no limit to the style or appearance that the content can take on. And because Logical CMS works in French, German, Spanish, Japanese, and Chinese, it can be deployed wherever your business needs it. Thanks for taking the quick tour of Logical CMS. If you want to see how Logical CMS works in detail, please feel free to take the 15-minute tour. A free download is also available. Thanks for watching.